Hey everyone, and welcome back. I have not posted in ages, so today I have some diving planned. Couldn't get any fish unfortunately, but we saw dolphins, which was very cool. And then also have a little catch and cook planned, which is taking place right on the sandbank over there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and leave it a like, and remember to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.
And it went like
I guess actually just set up another bait. It's already getting a bite. Doesn't take a long time, but I'm just gonna leave it for in case something bigger wants to grab it. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys how we get these worms out of the sand. You get little holes like these, ones in the sand, kind of a shallow hole. Oh, there we go. And then you get guys like this. They are super ugly actually, but they work so well as bait. So it's been about 4 minutes since I caught that last bait. I've got a small fish, it's nothing big. It's very lumpy. Here, making a sound. I have another fish on here. Let's see what it is. No! Just lost that one. That was a good one. So these are the worms we use. As you can see, they are massive. So this is way too big to use for one bait, so we'll break it into about 2. It's a beautiful little grunter. He's too small to keep, so I'm going to put him back. They need to be about 40 centimeters. Oh, this guy's strong. So yeah, let's go. So this is the fish we just caught. I'm just gonna bleed it out and then start skinning it. Usually I would keep them bigger than this, but this one is barely sized, so that's fine. But it swallowed the hook, so I couldn't really throw it back. It was bleeding a lot from the gills. I didn't really talk on the video, so that's actually what happened. So I just cut it open, bled it out. It dies within like a few seconds. That's the best way to kill a fish. And also spiked it just before bleeding it out to kill it instantly, so felt no pain. It's gonna be a good eat. Maybe gonna try to make some fish wraps or whatever. So yeah. Sien nou jy? What's the name? So I have the fish spiced up in a little bag. with some flour and spices. I have some oil heating in the pan. That should almost be ready. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's sizzling. I also have my little wrap here with mayo on it. Okay, so I have some lettuce, onions and tomatoes. I'll turn off the heat. Alright, so if you find you have a hard time eating fish, this is probably one of the easiest ways to get fish in your system. Fish wraps are great, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Sorry it's been a while since I've done anything really, but yeah, we'll start having more regular uploads, and thanks again for watching.